You joined me what? January?
No, it was it was maybe, I don't know, October. I went to the meetings.
What
I
was
went,
your revenue at in October?
oh, it might have been, I don't know, like 8K per month.
Okay.
Yeah.
And today is February 26, 2024. So that's November, December, January, February. 4 months. What's your revenue at now?
Month to date, 51K.
So 51,000 a month. Fuck yeah. Were you doing ads for people? What exactly were you doing? And what were you targeting? What niche were you targeting initially when you first joined?
It's always been landscaping, but we were doing retainer.
Okay. And now what are you doing? PIF?
We're doing guaranteed amount of leads, and they buy in bulk, and then it's recurring afterwards. We tell them you're going to get 30 leads. It's going to be this price. After the leads have been like your credits, you're going to get a recurring charge, which is going to increase your credits for another 30 leads. It's going to continuously do that.
Beautiful, beautiful. And were you were servicing, so right now you're still in home services, but you're doing one niche, right? The whole, like, one specific niche, or is it multiple different still under the same roof?
One specific niche.
Perfect. So before you were kind of landscaping, home services, now you're like, for example, tree building or whatever.
Exactly.
Okay, great. And then what does your team look like when you first joined in October? So it was just, how many people were in your team?
Frankie and me.
Frankie and you, the OGs.
Oh, geez, big time.
Okay, and then now what does your team look like?
Frankie, me, an appointment setter, Angel. We had a cold caller, Arn, but now she's doing some fulfillment. We have Richie, fulfillment. And then we have also another salesperson who's a dog, blessed with him, Will. He closed like 5 deals last week.
Amazing.
Yeah, so that's
Okay. And then when you started, what were your acquisition channels for leads? How were you getting your like interest?
cold calling. Cold calling.
Primarily. Okay.
Yeah.
And then how are you generating all the interest now?
We were doing cold calling, but then also a G Monster, which was like mass cold email.
Yeah.
Now it's all paid ads.
Yeah. Beautiful. Yeah. Paid ads is the best channel. And then when you're targeting paid ads for your agency ads, I'm not talking about your agency services, your agency ads. What are your primary target methods? Are you using interests, or are you using primarily like customer lists and things like that?
Customer list.
Nice. And then where are you scraping your data?
We've used Lead Enforcer.
Okay.
Have you heard of it, Avi?
Yeah, lead enforce for like the Facebook group shit.
Yeah, it's sick.
Beautiful. Yeah. So definitely a solid tool. Okay. Awesome. And tell me more about, like, what would you say was like one of the juiciest, most awesome things about working with me?
Avi's as real as it gets. He's like I am. We just say whatever we want. There's no filter. It doesn't matter. We're just trying to make as much money as possible. And Avi was just the biggest thing was the mindset shift. I'm thinking like, I don't know if you remember, probably not. But I said, Avi, like I remember I was spending my own money to test for my clients to make sure that I was getting good results. You're like, F that, just get more clients, test with their money. You're going to figure it out. You have the best intentions possible. And I'm like, you're right. Start closing. We figured it out. Now we're like, let's have a $25,000 offer. Let's sell it, and we're going to figure it out. There's no way we're not going to figure it out. So it was removing limiting beliefs. That's massive. That's what I had. The biggest thing with you, Avi, was removing that limiting belief.
Beautiful. And Alex, if you don't mind, you don't have to if you don't want to, but if you don't mind, can you show us your Stripe account for this month?
Yeah, I got you. Are you ready?
Yeah.
You can just clip that. You there?
Look at that. So last 4 weeks, here's the proof.
6,000 last 4 weeks.
$6,000. Let's go.
Month to date, though, if we go month to date, 51K.
Let's go.
Let's go last week, last 7 days, 20K last 7 days. Refresh again. There we go.
That's the magic, baby.
That's the magic.
Beautiful, bro. I'm like a proud grandfather out here. Oh,
Let's go, dude.
Alex, you've always been like, I loved your vibe, like, since you started, right?
Yes, brother.
And I'm glad you're seeing success and growth and
Appreciate
whatever. And Frankie, I don't know why we haven't fucking met yet, bro.
Frankie
But,
was
I haven't. We
calling.
have.
If there was a call,
I've
Frankie
always
was
was
calling.
working. Yeah, I was always working,
Frankie's
making money.
grinding, eh? In the background, always, constantly, man. That's sick.
Oh
So,
yeah.
dude, that's sick, man. I'm happy, man. And what would you recommend for anyone that might be watching this interview right now?
Anybody that is thinking about joining Avi's program, do it 100%. And it's don't think that if you just join this, you're gonna become rich. He gives you everything that you need to have. Everything that I have in my agency is inside the program. But there's gonna be, if you just get a couple things, it's worth it. And that's what I believe in. I've invested in multiple things. You have to keep on investing in yourself. I'm sure Avi does the same thing. The more you invest in yourself, the more you're going to know, the more knowledge you have. The reason that there's the 51K month to date is because of the skills that I've learned from investing myself. I dropped out of college like in 2 weeks. This is from buying programs. So if you're thinking about joining it, buy the program, bro. It's not that expensive. It's not, the ROI is insane. So
Yeah, man.
100%.
Dude, words of wisdom. Beautiful. Okay.